Welcome to Schneider Class. It's Don Marcus Schneider. That's the Mexican breaking his hood. And today we're working on a 1960 Belair.
That's the first time I broke shit.
Well, stop it. Say stop it, damn you. So I guess a little bit of history on.
Here we go.
You can ask for a hand, you know.
Fuck that.
Alright, so this has appeared in the fucking junkyard video, eh? So this, you've seen a glimpse of this. But yeah, those junkyard seats are in this thing. Damn.
Open the door already, man.
Oh. It might have no like real floor structure, but hell, it's got seats. And that, lady and gentlemen, is how the Mexican puts on a sweater.
You want to see floor structure? Come over here. Headlight, headlight, headlight. Look, floor.
Yeah, she's mint. It's fine. That's factory. That's factory weight reduction there.
As they're called in the redneck world, speed hole.
Speed hole. So what are you're pulling the engine, we're doing shit.
Pulling the engine, putting the transmission and flywheel on, put the starter on, put it back in, do the intake, and then put wiring harness on.
Yeah, you heard it. That's yeah, it makes sense. I'm gonna throw you on a time lapse here.
I don't know what to say, but every day feels like the same to me. Recently feel like the same days on repeat. Don't know how it became. I've gotta say though that this ain't for me. Desperately, I need some kind of release. I don't care what in the form of, but I need it quick, yeah, I need it strong. Something to take the edge off how I feel, cause I feel like I'm wasting all my time. I'm stuck in a daydream, and I've been this way ever since I was 18. Won't change me, I run till my feet hurt, but keep going deeper. I'm lost in a daydream, daydream, daydream. If I had my own way, I'd break away from all uncertainty. I'd do me, act a fool to the fool that thinks a fool in me. Absolutely, I got blue eyes, but sometimes the red. I don't think that out of them, but when I fly, I lie inside my head. Feel the old me just fading away into the background and no one can see. I'm a prisoner inside my own brain, but I feel free. Why? I don't care what in the form of, but I need it quick, yeah, I need it strong. Something to take the edge off how I feel, cause I feel like I'm wasting all my time. I'm stuck in a daydream, and I've been this way ever since I was 18. Won't change me, I run till my feet hurt, but keep going deeper. I'm lost in a daydream, daydream, daydream. How the time flies when we're sky high. I know it ain't right, it's just something that we do to pass the time inside my mind. Recently I feel like a goldfish the more that I smoke this. Oh shit.
So we're at a standstill.
5/8. 9/16.
These old flywheels and stuff won't work on this modern 90s engine because the center is too small.
Fucking piece of shit.
Yeah. So he's got to go get a flywheel to make this work, to make this 90s engine with this fucking 60s
Or you
transmission.
rebuild the motor.
Or rebuild the motor.
I wanna
So
rebuild
we'll
the
see.
motor.
I know. So we're back at square one?
Yeah.
Motor's back in. Just because we can't do anything with the flywheel now, so it's just put in there for storage and then hood back installed. But now I'm gonna lift up motor and do things. This, you might recognize, they won't recognize this motor, but you might recognize this motor from the green truck because that's where it's from. I guess the only video I can link is the road trip because all the Secret 72 project thingy, none of the videos are coming out for that for a while. So this is from the green truck. So you can see it doesn't look horrible until you get to the pistons. So wait till I finish my sentence. All the lifters look decent and everything. The inside, the valley, fucking the heads, top of the heads. And then you get to no spark plug piston. Yeah. This guy told me this motor would not need a lot of work. Not the Mexican. The guy I bought this off of. Oh, damn. Too big of a wall on the impact?
Yep.
You have an engine stand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to flip this upside down. Take the crank out and hammer out each piston.
Yep.
Hone the shit out of each cylinder. See how she cleans up. If she doesn't clean up well, machinist job. But maybe it'll clean up well. We'll
I'm
see.
pulling on head bolts and coolant's falling out.
I know, there's coolant dripping out of here too. Water, not coolant. I could tell someone put water in it.
It's purple though.
Well, yeah, it's mixed. But it's more fucking water than it is coolant. Oh yeah, this is mint. I'd reuse this 100%.
Damn.
Save a whole $20. I'm not bugging you, I'm bugging the internet people.
How the time flies when we're sky high. I know it ain't right, it's just something that we do to pass the time inside my mind. Recently I feel like a goldfish the more that I smoke this. Oh shit, I think people are starting to notice I'm not myself no more now. I'm starting to daydream, and I've been this way ever since I was 18. Won't change me. I run till my feet hurt, but keep going deeper. I'm lost in a daydream, daydream, daydream.
Dead mouse.
You had coolant in your thing. What?
Dead mouse.
Oh! Baby mouse! Nice! So we're calling it a night for the Belair tonight. She's gonna sleep right there. That motor's gonna sleep right there. Oh. Take her apart. That transmission's gonna sleep right there. Ooh. Fun times. Also, Hope you guys enjoyed this video of Schneider Classics. There's gonna be more on this car. There's gotta be more on this car. There's gonna be a ton of other cars and stuff. I'll videotape while I'm here when I'm working on it. But hope to see you guys in the next video. There's tons of videos coming.